Okay. Okay, engine oil. Looking for lawnmower engine oil. SAE 30. I mean, this stuff is expensive. SAE 30. 10W. This stuff is expensive. Really expensive. I'm not going to go somewhere else right now. Pour cycle. SAE 30. Premium. 969. 969. It's hard to find exactly what you're looking for. Mm. 18 ounces. 18 ounces. For the lawnmower. For convenience, I just don't want to go somewhere else. Okay, and look at the trailer hitch stuff. We're in Tractor Supply. By the very cheapest. I think this is a 2-inch drop. This is 2-inch chrome. 2-inch ball. There's a 2-inch ball. Looking for the cheapest. I'll try this one. $39. 49. 5-inch drop. Let's see. It's a coupler. Oh. Four-inch drop. This is probably the cheapest. 2-inch. Its receiver opening. This is a 1/7/8. $50. Now this was $49. 2-inch ball. 2-inch drop. 2-inch drop is 2-inch receiver opening and a 2-inch ball. This is $49. Right, $17 for that. $69 for that. $39. 49, so 3-inch drop. 2-inch drop. This is 24. Okay, interlock. 2-inch receiver opening. 6,000 pound capacity. 1-inch mounting hole. Okay, I'll catch you guys later.